Hi, good evening to all. Today we'll discuss about how we can manage our study plan in this lockdown period, and what are the method we can follow through which we can improve our subject knowledge in such lockdown period. My friend, we all know that all the educational institution is closed till further notifications. So in this period, when the any institution, any coaching class is not running, so what would be our syllabus? How could we get the knowledge from our syllabus, and what are the method through which we can we can learn from our subjects. So today we are going to be discuss about all the possible way through which we can acquire knowledge. My friend, we all know that we are having enough accessibility of internet. We are having enough data actually. So everyone, some of the student has not this facility, but most of the student has this facility. So how we can plan, right? Suppose since month of March till now the lockdown is going on. Even today, even till now, even next month, it is not planned to get open all institutions. So how could we proceed? How could we complete our syllabus? That is the main challenges for all of us. My friend, first of all, make a strategies, make a plan. Which subject you have to be you want to be finished first of all, and by selecting, just go to the Google, just Google it, and which subject we want to study, and try to search which teacher is the best for the particular subject. There is a various website, you can say, where you can learn. There is a various Unacademy is there. There is one year more than two very famous YouTuber is there. So you can learn all the skills, all the subject from that YouTube. So this is the way through which we can learn, and we can complete our syllabus very earlier. And it is very important for all of us that we could not skip the syllabus. If you trying to skip the syllabus, it would be very difficult task for the future. Suppose if I'm studying in 10th class, and in this the lockdown period I'm going to skip my subject, like if I'm not going to study about the various theorems which are in the 10th class, it could be very difficult for me in the future. So that's why I'm telling to you, do not try to skip any syllabus. Do not try to skip any chapter, I can say, not a syllabus, chapter. Chapter, you can say. Okay, maybe the government and the board authority would be cut the syllabus for the examination, but you should not try to skip the chapter, because it would be a very difficult task for you once we go for preparation of any competitive examination, because you do not study study that particular chapter which was coming in this lockdown period. So please try to learn, try to acquire the knowledge about the particular subject which are coming in this month, and just acquire knowledge, and try to be written your own notes, and just make a short notes which would be help for you for an upcoming your academic sessions. So this is the plan that I would be like to suggest to all of you, which can be work, and it's going to be work. Thank you so much.